A massive snowstorm is sweeping through western New York and Pennsylvania, leaving millions of residents on high alert for worsening conditions. Known for its powerful lake-effect snow, this storm has already led to significant disruptions across the region. As the snow continues to fall, authorities are urging residents to take necessary precautions to ensure their safety and remain prepared for the challenges ahead. The intense weather is raising concerns about the impact on infrastructure and daily life, with communities bracing for more severe weather. Stay tuned for updates as this situation develops.